Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and in this video we'll be customizing our scroll bar using CSS. So let's see how it's done. So I have a website here and the scroll bar right now is the default one which you see on most of the websites. So to customize it, you only need three properties. So the first property is the scroll bar itself. So for that I'll just write two colons then dash webkit dash scroll bar. So this is the first property which you need. And inside this you just have to define the width. So let's see, 12 pixels is the width. If I save it, you'll see that the width of this scroll bar has changed to 12 pixels. Now what we need to do is change the background color of our thumb, scroll bar thumb, which is the thing which is scrolled, and the background track. So for that I'll just need to add two colons dash webkit dash scroll bar track, so this one, and here we just need to define a background color. So let's say background is white, so background is something like this. If I save it, you'll see the background color is changed, not purely white but this color which we defined. And the third thing which we need to do is we have to define the thumb. So dash webkit scroll bar track, not this, you have to select the thumb, so the thing which is scrolled. So we can do one thing, we can set the background color to #202020, save it, and you'll see that the thumb is changed, so the thing which is scrolled is changed. And one more thing which you can add here is you can add a bit of border radius to this scroll bar. So you can go here, set the border radius to 20 pixels, save it, and then you'll have your border radius as well. So that's how you can change or customize your scroll bar, and you can use these three properties, and you can add box shadow to the track, or you can change the color however you want. You can get the code of this thing in the description. I will add the code pen link down below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.